Hello everybody, welcome to another video. This is a slow motion video. I think it's at like 120 frames per second with the Google Pixel XL. We're focusing on this flame. I thought it was so cool, and it's a nighttime slow motion video. Look at the flame. Ooh. Also look at the lights in the background. Cool. And I'm going around it, going around. Look at the lights. It has like an eerie feeling. And I'm going around. Like I said, it's a quick, simple video recorded at night on the Google Pixel XL. Thanks for watching. Please at the end, like, comment, subscribe. Be graceful, everyone.